Welcome to the Rob Diddy Podcast, where we talk about overcoming the odds and achieving your dreams, developing a strong mindset, and never giving up no matter the odds.
I haven't used this in a minute. What's going on, guys? If you're anything like me, you want to do content, sometimes you got to work with things that are less than quality. You see a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people doing podcasts, and they're this quality. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to do some tips and tricks to make your live streaming look great again and help you to stand out. By the way, if you want your podcast or your videos edited, so I'm going to show you guys this really quick. I've never actually tried to do this before, so let's make sure this works good. What we are going to do, let's switch this to Windows 10. There we go. All right. So we are in Premiere Pro, and our objective here, this is what we started out with. Today, I wanted to make a video for sports, and I've been having this problem where it looks good at points, then it doesn't look good at points. And what I want to do, sorry, the TV on the background earlier when I'm playing this video. Now, we are going to get rid of that audio source. Where is that at? As you see right now, we are in Premiere Pro. Now, I've used OBS, aka the Open Broadcasting Source software that everybody uses. For the most part, I have been a XSplit person for over the last 6 months. I was really good with XSplit, but the thing was I broke my foot and I was unable to work, so I needed to cut some cost. So I've been working with OBS, and I'm becoming a huge fan of it. Now, the one thing I don't like about OBS is that the Chroma key is not as strong as XSplit. XSplit has a way better Chroma key feature and some filters in there that are really dope. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Premiere Pro. I'm just going to go through here. Now, just to give you an example, we are going to import the video that we just made a second ago. It would be, is it that one? No, it's not there. All right, so if you're anything like me and you have a non-ideal setup for recording, my issue is that I live in a mobile home and I've been trying to, this green screen's not perfect, but this is really just a test and a how-to. Now, the one thing we're going to do here is we are going to go to this new sequence where we have nothing. So the benefit of using Premiere Pro instead of going and trying to do it all in the live streaming app, that's why I really don't like going live. I like to do things in editing because I'm better at it, I feel. I really love fixing things in the post-production. This also is a great way to show you that I do video and audio editing and other types of media productions at GainsDesigns.com, or click the link below. All right, so what we want to do here, we're in keying. Let me find crop again. All right, we're going to go transition. No, we're going to transform, and we're going to use crop. Then we're going to go to effect controls. Now, what we want to do is, because as you see, you can see behind me a little bit. Oh, I had that wrong. So we're going to be right. Boom. Okay, so now we have that taken care of. Now, the main event. We're going to go in here, and where it says keying, we're going to hit Ultra key, drag that to the video. Now you have a little eyedropper. And then we are going to play, if we go alpha channel, behind me it should be dark. Like, Premiere Pro is so much better at this than, it's so much better at it than using a live streaming software. That's how some people do it. I like to go like this, so I make sure I don't screw it up. This was on my shitty laptop camera. It's probably not going to be perfect, but I just want to give you an idea. We're going to take the shadow down. Now, we hit a little matte cleanup. You just play around with this until you get it how you feel is right. Contrast a little bit. Bam. All right, so now we're going to take that up to the top layer, and we want to put something behind that. We can also use the effect controls and so forth of Premiere Pro to adjust the video and fix any glitches that we have. All right, so I'm going to use one of my website photos. Don't judge me on my stuff I have in here. All right, let's go with this one. All right, so we're going to go to our project. I'm going to take this. Damn. We want to make sure we scale it to the frame size. And while it is not perfect, now we can keep cleaning it up, you know, just to make sure it's good. But this is a pretty good way to do it instead of using the live streaming app, because to be honest with you, the live streaming app is way less effective than using Premiere Pro. Basically, you just play around with this stuff, you know, just and obviously this isn't perfect, but hey, it's a good example. So you're just going to keep messing with stuff until you get it how you want it to be. Boom. Let's just make sure. So see, and then we got to go back through. We got to go back to our mat, clean up and whatnot, just to be safe. And honestly, I just sit here and do this until it's right. But you can do too much, or you can do too little. Spill. Boom, better. But also, this was done on that was shot on my my HP webcam, so it's not exactly the best quality. This is, again, what it looks like if I'm just using OBS. And my name's Rob Diddy. Welcome to GainsMedia.com. If you have any questions, hit me up.